Hello my friends, nice to see you again. In today's video, we will visit a sunflower field in Europe. To see how to grow it, to harvest and how some products are made from sunflower seeds. First, let's take a look at the seeding process. Just like other grains, sunflowers are grown directly from seed. And with modern technology, we now have seeding machines that can handle up to 20 grooves, making the seeding process even more efficient. After the seeds have been loaded into the seeding grooves, the next step is to sow them shallowly into the soil, so that the seeds have enough nutrients and water they need. And after a few months, we will have a beautiful field of sunflowers. As interesting as its name suggests, sunflowers always look towards the sun. During the day, the flower heads move from east to west. But at night, they turn back to face east to welcome sunrise in the morning. Only the sunflower's head moves, not the whole stem. There are around 70 different species in the sunflower family. Some are very tall, up to 3 meters. Do you know, only about 5 main varieties are cultivated for seeds. There is a special thing about this flower that you may not know. The sunflower is a unique flower that looks like a single big flower, but is actually made up of thousands of tiny flowers arranged close together. This structure will attract pollinators like bees. It's smart, isn't it? Each of these tiny flowers produces a seed, which is sunflower seed. When the seeds have grown enough, the sunflower will dry out. This is the time to harvest. We will harvest sunflowers with these modern thresher machines. Let's take a look at this beautiful harvesting process. Sunflower is also a grain crop with a large yield. They are grown all around the world, and each year, about 50 million tons are produced. Russia and Ukraine contribute to about 70% of it. But you know, due to some situation this year, the output will probably be a lot lower, right? Most of these sunflower seeds are used for oil production. Sunflower oil is one of the 4 most commonly used cooking oils. A quick question, can you name 3 other of cooking oils? Try them out in the comments. Now we will go to the factory to see the process of making sunflower oil. Sunflower seeds are put into the storage tank. They are processed in stages through the factory's conveyor. Here hundreds of tons of sunflowers are processed every day. The stages involve cleaning the seeds, separating the shells, pressing them for oil, and refining the oil to create the finished product. Sunflower oil has a clear, golden color and a pleasant aroma. Modern refining technology ensures that the oil quality is very pure. Sunflower oil contains many essential nutrients such as omega-3, 6, and vitamins. Now let's visit the packaging process. Then we will come to the process of preparing the seeds for export. As for the packaging of the seeds, they are quite simple. At the factory, the seeds will be cleaned and then packed without any additional ingredients. This is the last step in producing sunflower oil, also the end for our journey today. Don't forget to try out some delicious recipes using sunflower oil in your cooking. Thank you for watching my video. Please share your feelings after watching it. Don't forget to like or share the video if you like it. See you guys in the next video.